Should you be changing up your skincare in the summertime? Yeah. So what my normal dry to normal skin type during the fall and winter turns into combo skin in the summer. And because I get a little bit more oily and I also get sweaty, I have to make sure that I am changing up my skincare according to what my skin needs. I just took a powder cleanser and mixed it in with a cream cleanser, and that is what I have on my skin right now. I like to make sure my pores are in check because I do have a little bit of larger pores, and so in the summertime I really need to keep them clean and as tight as possible. So we're going in with the Glow Recipe Toner, PHA and BHA toner here. Going in with my niacinamide. Niacinamide also can help regulate your oil production, so it's a great one to be wearing during the summer. It also helps prevent darkness, sunspots, and it's an antioxidant, so it's protecting you from free radicals. I like to wear a little bit of a lighter eye serum type cream. I'm just more oily, and so I don't need the thicker creams like I do in the wintertime. Glow Recipe, the Pore Blur. This can be used two different ways. You can use it underneath your moisturizer as a skin care treatment. So you're just gonna go ahead and put that on where you want to kind of control your pores. Now, you could use it also as a primer over your moisturizer. I like to wear it under my moisturizer. Then the Glow Recipe Plump Moisturizer. It's really lightweight. See, it's so light, but it really brings the moisture in to my skin. There you have it. It's going to keep my skin refreshed looking, not greasy, all day. All right, bye guys.